Today I'm going to be taking a look at this pocket knife that I was sent from VEVOR so I could do the review. Let's go ahead, get it open, and check this knife out. So out of the box, you're going to get this little manual about this knife, and then of course you get the knife. It's kind of neat. It comes with this little bitty manual. But this manual is just pretty basic. Tells you how to open and close it, how to fold a knife. And if you carry blades with you, then, you'll know all this information. But this is your thumb deploy type of knife. So it's got the little notch right here. I mean, at least I call it thumb deploy is what I call them. So you open it with these little thumb tabs. And to close it, you have this little push here that I just pushed a little bit. And then the blade closes. So it's locking mechanism, which is pretty popular to have this kind of spring locking mechanism. And it does hold really well. Some of the times when you find less expensive knives, this little piece right here doesn't want to go all the way in because it's not cut right or something. And then you have the risk of this thing unlocking and coming down and cutting you. But this one really holds in well. You just move that over with your thumb and then you can slide it back in. It's a nice looking knife, very lightweight. It's got this little orange plastic strip here and this metal piece here that's orange. On this side it has, a pocket clip. Very important for me because that's how I carry all my knives, is on the clip. And then it's got this kind of hollow casing. I do believe it said it was aluminum on this actual outside of the knife, the casing. And it is hollow, got a lot of holes in it to make it as light as possible. And then a nice sharp blade. So you got a nice smooth blade at the end, and then you've got your serrated portion right here when you need it. It does have a little bit of a grip right here cut into the blade. So when it's open, you do have some leverage there to put your thumb against it. It holds well, an average size hand. I'm 5'9", and this fits my hand really well. Not overly large, not overly small. For me, a nice little everyday carry knife. I definitely will be using this on the farm and carrying it with me. And I hope all of this information was helpful. Thank you very much for watching. Y'all take care.